Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today in the series of artificial intelligence, we are going to discuss about rational agents. That is a very important topic. So along with the introduction to I will definitely share with you some key reasons why rational agents are widely adopted in AI. Along with this, I will share with you some real life examples where we have used rational agents. So this is our lecture number 17. If you haven't watched previous 16 lectures, students, you can definitely go through the links available on the description box. So now let's just talk about rational agents. So using rational agents in AI provides a structured way to develop systems that can make informed goal oriented decisions in a wide range of environments. All right, here are some reasons why we use rational agents in AI. The first reason include its goal achievement. Basically, rational agents are designed to take actions that maximize the chances of reaching specific goals or achieving desired outcomes. Another reason can be your adaptability and robustness. Adaptability and robustness. So, rational agents can operate in complex as well as any changing environments, as they are designed to make decisions based on both current and anticipated situations. And by using various decision making frameworks, all the rational agents can adapt to new information, that is called adaptability, and they can easily adjust their actions to handle uncertainty or unwanted on or we can say unexpected changes effectively. That is taken under adaptability and robustness. As you can see here, rational agent approaches in AI revolves around designing systems that perceive their environment. They helps us in making decisions and act in a way that maximizes their chances of achieving specific goals. So we have discussed it as goal achievement and adaptability and robustness. Another reason of using rational agents can be efficient resource utilization. Efficient resource utilization, and another reason can be consistency and predictability. Predictability, okay. Under this point, we can say the predictability is very important in the field like healthcare, finance, autonomous driving, where stakeholders need to trust that the AI will perform reliably and consistently under similar conditions. That's why consistency and predictability is a very important part of rational agent. Another reason why we use rational agent is your handling uncertainty. In real world environments, they are often unpredictable, right? So rational agents are equipped with probabilistic model. They are equipped with probabilistic models such as Markov decision processes, etc. All right, now students, let's just move to the examples of rational agents in practice. That means these are the examples, these are the fields where we are using rational agents in regular days. So first example is your autonomous vehicles. So students, autonomous vehicles such as self-driving cars, they use rational agents to make driving decisions. These agents perceive the environment. These these agents perceive the environment, predict possible future scenario, and they can also decide actions like accelerating, braking, steering to reach a destination safely and effectively. That is taken under autonomous vehicles. Objective of autonomous vehicles include the safety and efficiency in reaching the destination wherever you want to reach. If your automatic vehicle helps you reach there automatically, then definitely it is very very helpful for you all, right? Another is your financial trading boards. So under this we can say rational agents in financial trading analyze market data. It helps us in predicting or analyzing the current market data, predict the trends, and make buy or sell decisions. These agents aim to maximize returns by analyzing a vast amount of real time data, and they also execute trades that align with specific risk and reward preferences. Another example Another example is robotic process automation, that is RPA in business operations. Under this we can say RPA agents automate repetitive tasks. We have already discussed all about repetitive tasks, robotic process automation in previous lecture, right? So RPA agents automate repetitive tasks such as processing transactions, managing users' data, handling customer services queries, etc. Rational agents in RPA, we can say, they also follow rule based decision frameworks. They always follow rule based decision frameworks that helps them to streamline the workflow, also that helps them to reduce human errors and improving the productivity. All right, that is the robotic process automation. Next example is customer service chatbots. सो चैटबॉट्स, वी ऑल नो अबाउट चैटबॉट्स. अगर आपने वो वीडियो अभी तक नहीं देखी है, सो यू कैन चेक द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स, आई हैव एडेड द लिंक देयर. सो कस्टमर सर्विस chatbots, sorry, chatbots interact with users to answer their queries. They also provide information. They guide the users throughout the process. All right. Rational agents in customer services aim to understand the user's needs and respond with relevant information or escalate to a human agent when necessary. जब भी हम किसी कस्टमर केयर में कॉल करते हैं, तो पहले जो हमारी कम्युनिकेशन है, ठीक है, प्रेस वन टू डू दिस, प्रेस वन इफ यू वांट टू डू दिस, ये सब चीजें जो होती हैं, ये सब कस्टमर सर्विस चैटबॉट्स में आती हैं. फिर भी अगर रिक्वायर्ड हो, अगर आपका जो इशू है वो डायरेक्टली चैटबॉट से सॉल्व नहीं हो पा रहा, ठीक है, नहीं हो पा रहा, तो उसमें क्या होगा, तो उसमें फिर वो कस्टमर केयर एग्जीक्यूटिव के साथ आपको डायरेक्टली कनेक्ट करेगा. सो आई एम रिपीटिंग द डेफिनेशन. Chatbots interact with users to answer their queries. You are a user in any, let's say, online shopping website के आप user हो, customer हो. So chatbots interact with users to answer their queries. They also provide information or guide them throughout the process. Rational agents in customer services aim to understand the user's needs and respond with relevant information or escalate to a human agent whenever necessary. Its objective can be to provide quick and accurate responses to improve customer satisfaction. That is the objective of customer service chatbots. All right, another is healthcare diagnosis system. So the objective of healthcare diagnostic system under rational agents is it provide accurate diagnosis or treatment recommendations to improve the patient's outcome or to improve their health. So rational agents in healthcare analyze patients' data to suggest possible diagnosis or treatment plans. They can also use large data sets and predictive models to make recommendations that align with best medical practices. Next is your personalized recommendation systems. Personalized recommendation systems. So it can maximize user satisfaction and engagement with personalized recommendations. For example, by predicting which item a user is likely to enjoy, They aim to improve user engagement and satisfaction. Let's take an example here. For example, if you want to buy a pair of shoes and you are looking for it in any of the website, in our mobile phone, in our id, it is always personalized recommend system activated. Whenever we are looking for a pair of shoes in any website, after आफ्टर चेकिंग सो मैनी शूज, जब हम किसी दूसरी साइट पर जाते हैं, जब हम किसी सोशल मीडिया पर जाते हैं, तो वहां पर हमें सेम शूज दिखते हैं, एडवर्टीजमेंट हमें सेम दिखती हैं, रील्स हमें सेम काइंड की दिखती हैं. दैट इज done only and only by rational agents personalized recommendation systems. If you want to buy gold and you are checking the gold rates, if you are checking gold rates on Google, after checking the gold rates, if you are using your Instagram, you are using Facebook, any other social media, then definitely you will see so many ads on YouTube. You will see so many reels related to gold jewelry, gold rates on your Instagram or Facebook. All right, that is done only and only by personalized recommendation systems. Its key features include collaborative filtering, content based filtering, etc. Next is fraud detection system in finance. So its objective is to minimize fraud losses and improve security in financial transactions, like we do transaction in banks. Description include rational agents in fraud detection, analyze transaction patterns to identify potential fraudulent activities. All right, all right. So its key features include anomaly detection. Its features include machine learning models. It includes probabilistic reasoning to evaluate transaction risk and flag unusual activities. So all these are some real life examples that uses rational agents, and all these features we are using these days in so many applications, so many websites. So I hope students everything is clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can comment below. I will surely help you all. So thank you so much and all the very best.